Hello, my name is Ibukunlua Ibiolua, and today I'm bringing to you is fabric scrap tote bag tutorial. This bag is nice, it's classy. You can make it as big as whatever you want to put inside a laptop, books. It's easy to carry. It's nice, it's lovely. You can even sew it as a shopping bag, whatever you want to do. So basically, here I was trying to bring out my fabric scrap. I actually had like seven different fabrics that I was going to use for this project. I mean scrap, so you don't have to get new clothes and everything. Like just small pieces from clothes you've used before, and I basically cannot remember the exact measurement I used, but I think a 3 by 4 measurement to be okay, or 4 by 4. You can just cut with your squares in that size depending on what you want. So you can just cut quite a number of them. I think if you have like 50 to 60, that would do depending on the size of the bag you're planning to work with. So yeah, do make sure you give this video a like if you get value from it. Do share to friends, to craftmates, people who you know are going to need this video. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell for you to get notified once a new video is up, and I post craft related videos, sewing, vlogs, lifestyle videos on this channel. So if you're interested in content like that, you should definitely subscribe and you'll be glad you did. So let's get right into the main part of this video. At this point, I was basically trying to just like sort out the different fabrics I had, just for me to know I was going to pick it up once I got to the machine and just join like one pattern after the other. So I joined them together. I made sure for each line I had each of the different fabrics on it, just to create this pattern feel and to make it more distributed, if you get what I mean. And at this point also, I was trying to make sure once I was joining it, I guess that's horizontally now, no same fabric were lying on each other, just to also keep that pattern, keep the fact that I'm trying to create a pattern in mind and not make those same fabrics lying on each other. Also, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. What do you think about it? Are you going to try it out? What do you feel? Was this, I mean, is the size okay? Anything you feel about it, if you are going to try it out, just type it out in the comment section and I'll be glad to read your comments. So here I was trying to just join, I think I already joined like 4 different lines. This was the last for this particular side of the bag. We have the front and the back side, so I just basically joined it straight up after, just basically join it straight up to complete the front side, I mean. And I think I have like 5 lines. This is what it looks like, and you repeat the same thing for the other side. The next thing I went on to do was to measure my laptop, because my main focus for this bag was, oh, I just wanted to contain this laptop. Like that was my basic focus for this project. So I went on to measure the laptop, added a few inches. I can't remember what it was now. So you can just play around with things depending on what you want to put, your plan, how you want it to be. And if you have a tote bag already that you can use as a model and you like to make that exact size, it's okay. You can just follow, measure what that one is, and then just follow. So I did that and cut it out, and also aligned the two sides together, and also trimmed the excess parts off. The next thing after doing my exercise was to cut lining for the two sides. You can actually decide not to line, but I'll advise you to line because lining actually like gives the inner part neat finishing, and also like gives it weight and courage, if you get what I mean. So I'll advise to line. It makes the bag feel like a bag. So yeah. I went ahead to turn the lining, to join the lining with it, and just use that to pull in a few inches of the fabric in, just for to pull a few inches of the fabric in for the lining not to be showing outside. And I went ahead to join on both sides. But if you ask me if I'm going to repeat this project next time, I'm not going to join the line this way. I'll find a better and neater way which I can do it. But this is still fine, but I will not try this method next time because the edges were open, were not closed, and I don't like it that way. So but it's still okay, something one can still manage. At least it came out still fine. And here I was just trying to size the laptop in just to see how it looks before I went on to do the next thing. And next thing was for me to add the hand to it. And this satin, I had a satin at home, and this satin like fits perfectly for the hand, like it came out nice. I basically cannot remember the exact measurement I used, but I knew how long I wanted the hand to be and how big, even the back generally. So I just tried cutting out something, and then I found out that it was too short. It was not what I wanted, so I had to place it on the fabric again and increase the length by a few inches, maybe like by 5 inches or so. Just cut it out, and it came out as I wanted it to be. So yeah, depends on how long you want it to be, how short the picture you have created in your head or the model you're following, what you want basically. If you've gotten to this point in this video, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. I post amazing content on this channel, and you will definitely learn from it. And also share this video, give it a like, comment, do all the needful you get. Yeah, at this point I was going to cut the sleeve into two because it was going to serve for both sides. I think the initial width was about 6 or 7, so by the time I divided into two, maybe it was like 3.5 thereabout, and that was what I worked with. And I went ahead to join it to the bag. Here is what it looks like. The bag came out nice. I actually liked it. Different people have seen it and they like how it looks. It's portable, can contain laptop, like that is so important. Came out nice. I was trying to size my laptop in it, like I can't count the number of times I sized it, and I just kept on putting it inside, because I actually like the way it came out nice. And yeah, that's it. Do make sure you give this video a like, comment, subscribe, share, do all those paparazzi you get. And that will be all for this video. See you in the next one, and do check out other videos on my channel. There'll be link on a video, there'll be new videos for you on the screen. Do check them out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.